Hi, today we're going to do box plots. Chances are you have never seen these before. Okay. Um, we talked about IQR a long time ago. Well, the box plot actually shows a visual of IQR. Okay. So a box plot, also known as box and whiskers. So if you imagine this is like a cat's face and the one little whisker coming out of each side. A box plot organizes data. It focuses on IQR, which is the middle of the data. So the middle 50%. So this is the middle 50%, and then there's some others. Okay. So these are the number of hours watched by students last week. And then it says math test. We're going to call this, I don't know, number of hours. This is a horrible number of hours. Maybe this is in the summer. Okay. So, the very first piece of data is the lower extreme. What a name, right? That's the lowest piece of data. So the lowest amount of hours watched by students was 53. Oh, goodness. 53. Let's say over the summer or in a month. I don't know. So 53 hours of TV. Goodness. Okay. The highest number of hours watched by any student was like 97, 98. And this is called the upper extreme. Again, very harsh words, it sounds to me. So the lowest number was the lower extreme. The highest number is the upper extreme. Okay. This middle right here is called the median. Okay. So the middle person watched 78 hours of TV. All right. So this one right here is called the first quartile. And that's 66 hours maybe. So a fourth of the class watched 66 hours or less of TV. Okay. Half the class watched 78 hours or less of TV. And then up here is the third quartile. So a fourth of the class watched more than 90 hours of TV. All right. And the distance between the first and third quartile is called your IQR, the range between those two numbers. Okay. The big range is between here and here. The IQR range is between here and here. So once you get all these, found, then you put a box around the middle 50%. So that's all that is. Okay. So on this graph, you start with this thing right here called a number line. Okay. First, you put the data in order, least to greatest, which we don't have any, but if we did, we put it in order, least to greatest, and find the middle. Okay, that's called the median. And you would put a dot right there. Okay, then you would find the median of each half. So that would be right here. Okay, and right here. That's the middle of each half. And you're going to draw a box around them. So that's where you put the lines and draw your box. Okay, and then the last thing you do is draw one straight line to the very last part of the data in each direction, here and here. Okay, and now we can analyze it because it's organized. All right, what's the median? Well, it shows you right there, 78. The range is from 53 to 97-ish. So that's 16. Wait. That's 44. 44-hour difference. Whoops, 44-hour difference. And then the IQR is between the two quartiles. So it starts at 66 and ends at 90. So that's a 24-hour difference between here and here. So half the data here, a fourth, a fourth, a fourth, a fourth. Okay? If you have any questions on bots, just ask your teacher.